Thank you for visiting the HID factory. Today we have a slingshot where we did the wheel rings and the color chasing. Check that patriotic look out. We did the halos. We did the hood vents with the strips. Beautiful. Actually cools off the vehicle pretty good where the heat rises and it comes out of these vents. We did the cup lights. So what we did is we put a wheel ring. Oh, I'm sorry. We put some halos inside the cup rings to illuminate these cups. Sorry, guys. We got the footwells. They're color changing as well. And we got everything done here at the HID factory, y'all. So what we did is we pretty much packaged this all together. It's like Burger King. You have it your way. Another thing I'm going to show you guys is you can put a fog machine in here. Once you put the fog machine in, the LEDs pods illuminate the fog. Check it out, y'all. Looks beautiful. So imagine this at night. The smoke would definitely be glowing in the air. You guys want to do something, you can do it. It's like Burger King. Have it your way. All right? Anyways, guys, DM us, email us, whatever you got to do to get your custom project going. We can do it. We're kings of SlingShots. Thank you for visiting the HID factory.